A few years ago, I took on the biggest DIY project of my life, transforming our home one design decision at a time. And it's been a mix of exciting wins, unexpected challenges, and a lot of problem solving. And I'm making this video series to take you behind the scenes of the entire renovation process, starting from before we bought the house to today, where we're still making upgrades. And I'll share what worked, what didn't, and how design thinking shaped every decision. So before we even bought this house, I knew I wanted to approach this project strategically, thinking beyond just a simple refresh. I started with a feasibility study, basically a way to analyze what was possible within our budget. And the goal was to make high impact changes without breaking the bank. But one of the biggest challenges, balancing budget, design vision, and DIY execution. That's where things got really interesting. So once we had a plan, the real work began. The biggest projects being the kitchen and bathroom renovations, flooring, lighting, and even some custom furniture and joinery pieces. There was a pretty steep learning curve, figuring things out as I went, making mistakes, and adjusting on the fly. But some of the most surprising wins came from some of the smallest decisions, like how the lighting completely changed the feel of a space, or how small tweaks in a layout made daily life easier. So even though the main renovation is done, we've learned that a house is never really finished. There are always small improvements to be made. Right now, I'm focusing on smart storage solutions, refining some of the earlier design decisions, and looking ahead to making upgrades to some of the exterior spaces. More than anything, I want this video series to show that small intentional design moves can really transform a space without needing a huge budget. If you're planning a renovation project or just love to see how a space evolves, stick around. I'll be breaking down everything I learned from the process, which hopefully will be helpful for your own renovation project. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.